You're good to go.
This is Marcus K. Dowling, the Nashville Country Music Report at the Tennessean, and this is last night of CMA Fest. And what I like to do sometimes is when you get with somebody and you know that they're next, and you watch them go along the process of learning all of the skills of the trade. And that's Jackson Dean. So what's going on, man?
Not much, brother. How are you?
Man, I can't complain. So, you're doing dates with Laney. You're playing for the 70,000 people. You've had #1 single.
Yes, sir.
It's happening. What's changed?
I still try to be the same boy that moved down here in my heart, for sure. Just like Laney did.
Right.
You know, she's the same person I met 4 years ago.
Yeah.
It reminds you a little bit of your
man.
And just that familiar.
The dynamic of everything back home changes.
Yeah.
You get out here and you get in your own head and you're running a million miles a minute. And it's not a bad thing.
Right.
It's not a bad thing. It's progress. I always like to say that.
Does it feel like? Does it feel
The
like
reason that we
50
give
or
so much and care so much about what we do is because we will never be here again.
Right.
You know, we only get one shot at this.
Yeah.
We will never be here again. Not like this.
Right.
You know, I won't be looking like Keanu here next year. You know, that's what changes.
Absolutely. So talk to me as well about the new music. And talk to me mainly as well about cinematography. Because you're a fan of this.
I'm
And
an
it's-
admirer.
Right, and it shows. Especially in the new video.
Thank you.
Let's talk.
So that video was shot by Sean Hackman. He's got a really like Christopher Nolan kind of eye.
Right.
So all this stuff is a little bit
I
dark.
remember the kid who was pretty fresh.
No,
out
I'm just a
of
big fan of things that are captured well, and where you just look at it and it's undeniable. Then you just have to go, oh, that's dope. You know, it's when it's good, it's really good.
Right.
I'm not a nerd, and I can't go movie for movie on it. But like when it looks great, it's really hard to not like it.
Exactly.
So we went out for this whole next record, and Sean Hadwell is shooting the whole thing.
Right.
We did 5 songs out west this winter, and then we're going to do another for this project. But the record's coming sooner than you think.
Okay.
What are we going to see tonight on the big stage?
I don't even want to more songs. But it goes a lot of places, man. It's quite a step up from Greenbrook in terms of vocally and song, and all the songwriting on it.
I was about to ask you about
Again, I'm on every single one of the songs. There's some songs I heard a couple of my band that wrote with the band, which is I've not really heard of it this time.
Right.
You know, which I'm proud of. Big Blue was written by me and my band.
Have you abducted somebody before you probably?
But it is coming soon.
So final question. What is it about the massive live experience that adds to the job? Because you're a person that you're driven person by the work of the position, being a singer. What is it when you look out and you see 50,000 people that says, this is the job that I was meant to do?
It's the sound that they make. It's the roaring of that you get filled with, and that's what you get. That's a big part of it. But the other half of it is when you hit the steps and you get the adrenaline.
Yeah.
It's not first couple times to take a stage is nerves, but after that it's just all adrenaline, you know. And being filled with that is intoxicating, and so is the whole of the crowd.
Absolutely. This has been Jackson Dean and Marcus K. Dowling, the Nashville Country Music Report to Tennessean. The last Tennessee CMA Fest 2024. Jackson Dean. Thank you.